Okay, today I am going to show you how to install Windows 7. You put the CD into the CD drive, then you restart your computer. This screen will show up, and then we're going to be processing through many different windows here as we go. Okay, so here is another pop-up screen that's come up. You see the first part down here, Windows was collecting information about your actual computer, what your motherboard was, what your RAM is, that type of thing. It needs to know that so it can make several decisions in this process. Now you can see that we are copying Windows files. This will take a while, and you can see that the system is busy because the little dots are one at a time coming out and then going back and coming out and going back. This is a window you'll see quite a bit, and something to point out is this right here. Your computer will restart several times during installation. So don't worry if your computer seems to sort of have a life of its own, a mind of its own, because right now it does. Okay, so now we went to the expanding Windows files, and that is working. You can see we jumped up a bit. About an 8 probably is now green here. So you can see this is going to take a while. Okay, now you can see that we have very quickly moved through installing features, and we're now in installing updates, and it is continuing. Here's one of the restart pages, and actually this is getting ready to cycle into one of the major restarts. Okay, as the restart has occurred, this is the next screen you'll see. Setup is preparing your computer for first use. This can still take some time because remember, this is the operating system moving into a new house. They've put all the furniture already in place, and now it is unpacking all of its belongings. So be prepared to wait. Okay, the computer is cycling up. We see the Windows 7 Enterprise window and the welcome screen. Okay, computer is cycling through, trying to find where it put everything. You're just being patient. Again, we're cycling through some different windows, telling us what it's doing. It was it's now preparing the desktop, trying to get everything out to where we can use it. Okay, some more wonderful pop-ups have arrived. They are setting up personalized settings for Windows, and then as you can see here, Windows installer is working. Don't click cancel here. Don't get click happy. Not a good thing. Okay, now it is asking us to set up our network. I am setting up a network because I have wireless internet. Well, this is going to become a home network. Okay, now it's connecting to the network, and it's applying more settings. Next, it can ask you, since I'm on the network, and this is creating a home group, what do I want to share? I actually am not going to be sharing anything with anybody, so I take off all of the check marks. We're going to click next. There is a way to go in and create a home group, and that will be a separate video. Okay, this is an important page that you need to take note of, and you need to write this number down. If we're going to add other computers to our home group, we will need this password to add it to the group. So it's something, whenever you're creating a home group, you need to write the passwords down. We're going to click finish, and now we're going to let it cycle through some more. And we are done.